Hello everybody, myself your English teacher Pradeep sir. I welcome all our standard 3 student of Sunshine English Medium School. This is our online class. We have started before and today I am going to continue the next class. As student, we have learned the first lesson, noun and verb, the first poem. So it is your page number 4 from your course book. Okay, you have opened the grade 3 volume 1, not volume 2. Okay, and course book. So you can see here the poem nouns and verbs. So student, I hope that you have learned in our previous class, and I believe and I hope that you have memorized this poem at least means 2 stanzas. Okay, so I will means listen when our school will reopen, when the lockdown will be lock on, then we will I will listen from each student this poem. Okay, so learn this and let us begin our workbook, the worksheet. So here is a worksheet, page number 13. Okay, nouns and verbs, page number 13. After student, this cursive writing, you practice this cursive writing. Okay, every day one page, your handwriting will be improved. Okay, so in page number 13, so here you see nouns and verb. The question is, circle the proper noun and underline the common nouns in the sentences given below. So student, I hope you can remember my the online beginning classes. I have taught you noun, I have taught you verb. Okay, the different kind of nouns, different kind of verbs. So here the two type of nouns are here, proper noun and common noun. What is proper noun? It's the proper name of the particular person, place or thing. Okay, proper. So here you can, I will show you the proper nouns. And common nouns means the noun which is commonly given, the name which is commonly given. So that is common noun. So let us do this exercise. Okay student, so what you have to do, you circle the proper nouns, okay, and underline the common nouns. So here I have circled, see, Sachin, okay, and Dhoni. Here Sachin and Dhoni ran fast between the wickets. Here wicket I underline. Okay, Sachin means you know Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni. So these are proper noun. So I circle it. Wickets, it can be any wickets. So I underline it. Okay. Then second, we buy bread at a modern bakery every Saturday. Okay, so here proper noun modern bakery, you can circle. Okay, and underline bread, any bread. Okay, so I am leaving some from here. I am leaving something for you. You also do yourself. And here Lily, it is a proper noun. You circle it. Riverfront Stadium, I circle. Mr. Gopi, proper noun. Teacher, I underline. Teacher, anyone, any teacher. So it is a common noun. So student, from question number 1 to question number 8, you circle proper noun and underline common nouns, and you post it this all. Okay. The next one is here. You can see. Look at the given picture and name them. Then write the compound noun and see if the name matches the picture. See, here compound noun means what? The compound means many nouns which join. So here you see simply it is a rain and coat. See student, here raincoat, here double. The next one is bell boy. Okay student, so let us join these two words, bell boy. So here we can see bell boy is working, who is working in a big hotel or lodge. So bell boy, it is a compound noun. Then the third one, student, it is a head, okay, head, and it is phone. So let us join these two words, head, phone. So it is a headphone. So it is a compound noun. Okay, student. Sides. Okay, student. So today once again I will remind you, recall you about the noun and verbs. This point I will read for you. You also observe properly, listen properly. Okay, so let me start. Nouns and verbs. Of all things I know and love, like the earth below and the sky above, the wind in the trees and the waves of the sea, all these the noun will name for me. The dolphin, the whale, and the fish bright, the lark at dawn, and the owl of the night, the fox in his den, and the buck that springs. The naming noun will name these things. Of all the things that as deeds are done, I can live or linger, roam and run. I can weep salty tears or chuckle with glee. All these the doing words decree. I live, I learn, I wish for, I work. But if a good deed I would lazily shirk, then a charm I can say, the good to fulfill. I can, I should, I want to, I will. Okay, student, you memorize this poem, and you can post your video also by reciting this poem, and we will learn in our next period the next chapter. See you, student. Bye.